In this video, I'm going to explain you how to use WorkVivo. So basically, WorkVivo is an employee communication and engagement platform that connects teams, shares updates, and builds company culture. So if we go to their official website and click on pricing, we can see that they offer two plans. So the business plan and enterprise plan. So for both of them, you're gonna have to contact Sell and request a quote. Now, once you get access to the platform, you just have to log in and set up your profile with bio, photo, and preferences. Then you can post updates and announcements to keep teams informed, engage with colleagues through comments, likes, and recognition tools, and access resources and events via the centralized content hub. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys.